Hi Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper in the additional of May the 15th, Friday 2020. This one is a Tectonic Sudoku. I hope I will solve this within 30 minutes, otherwise this will be a hard one, a 4-star Tectonic. So let's get started with this one. Alright. First question, can you find the single box? Yes, I see the single box here. This should be a 1. That means these 4 boxes cannot be a 1. So we have 1 box left for the 1. It should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes are left for the 1, should be here or there. We have a 2 there, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. I mark them, otherwise I will make mistakes. We have a 3 here, so these 3 boxes, 4 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 2 boxes left for the 3 should be these two boxes. So this could be a 3 or that could be a 3. Then we have 1 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be the 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left should be the 5. This box should be the 4 because this cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be the 5. So this should be the 4. These 2 boxes should be 1, 2, 3 and the 5. 3, 5, 3, 5. Alright. Then this box should be the 3 because cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. Should be the 3, cannot be the 4, cannot be the 5. So this is a 3. Because we have 3 here, this cannot be a 3 anymore. So this should be a 5. This should be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have 1 box left for the 2, should be this one. The 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. Because these 2 boxes cannot be a 5 anymore. This box cannot be a 5. We have 1 box left for the 5, should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so we have 1 box left for the 5, should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. We have 1 box left for the 5, should be this one. The 4 and the 3 cannot be here. We have a 3 and a 4 here. So the 4 and the 3 should be there as a pair. That means the 2 and the 1 are left. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. This should be the 1. We have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. Here are reserved for the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. We have a 2 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. So we have there 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5. So the 3 and the 4 are left. 3 cannot be here, so the 3 goes there and the 4 goes here. Now, this box should be the 1. Because it cannot be A2, cannot be A3, cannot be A4, cannot be A5. So it should be the 1. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be A3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be A4, so it could be there or could be here. The 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be A2, it cannot be A3, cannot be A4 because we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes, and cannot be a 5. So it should be a 1. Alright. Yes, 3. 2 goes there, the 5 goes. Yes, this box, I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. It should be a 4. It cannot be a 5, so it should be a 4. Alright, so now we have 3 boxes left. The 3 cannot be here. 3 goes there. And this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here. Alright, so the 3 are left, the 2 and the 5. 2, 3, or the 5. The 5 cannot be here. The 5 should be there. Here 5 or there 5. The 2 can be everywhere. Alright. 3 or the 2 could be here. Let me think. This box cannot be a 5. We have a 5 here. And this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here. The 2 boxes are left are for the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. And I cannot place a 4 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in those 2 boxes. I need a 4 here, so it should be a 2, and this should be a 4. We have a 4 here, so that means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. This should be a 4. The other 2 numbers are the 1 and the 5. No, we have a 1 here. The 2 and the 5. But if I place the 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in those 2 boxes. So it cannot be the 5 here. The 5 should be there. And the 2 goes and there. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes here. The 3 cannot be here, we have a 3, So the 3 goes here or there. And the 1 can be everywhere. Yes. Okay, 5, 4, 2. So it's depending if this is a 3. Yes. This box cannot be a 2. 2, 2. Cannot be a 3. 3, 3. This box should be the 5. Because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. So it should be the 5. Yes, alright. So we have now the 3 and the 2 there. The 2 and the 3. Alright. Yes. Look in this area. 3 missing numbers. It cannot be a 2. Here cannot be a 2. So this should be a 2. So we are left 2 boxes, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3, this should be the 4. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. 1 box left for the 2, yes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. This box cannot be a 3, so this should be the 3 and this should be the 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. The 2 and the 4, I cannot fill this yet. Depending of one of these 2 boxes. So now we have a 4 here. This box cannot be a 1 anymore. These 2 cannot be a 1 anymore, so 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. This box cannot be a 2. Suppose I fill here a 2, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 2. So the 2 should be one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 4. Now we have 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 4 and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. We have a 4 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. We have a pair, 1 and a 4. But the 4, I cannot place the 4 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in those 2 boxes. And this box can also not be a 4. So this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. And this should be the 1. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. We have a 1 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 should be here. We have a 3 and a 4 left. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 should be there and the 4 goes here. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. So hit the bell. Otherwise, download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. was me to say thank you again for watching this episode, and I will see you the next time. So keep on puzzling. Bye bye.